Hey everybody, welcome to the first edition of Travelin with Jimmie, and I want to thank you for coming along with our little ride along today as we head to Hoover Dam, just about an hour north of us, not too far from Las Vegas, but Las Vegas is going to be a whole other trip, a whole other video that we'll eventually get to, but today was just a good day to put the windows down and just get the breeze in our hair. It was 114 degrees and it felt like it today, but it was still a good day to get out and get some sun. So anyway, me and Miss Mopar decided to take a little journey to Hoover Dam today and kind of stretch our legs a little bit. So I just want to thank you for coming along with us for the ride. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and enjoy the ride along with us. Here we go to Hoover Dam.
Traffic circle. Take the third exit onto Nevada 172.
Yeah, this roundabout wasn't too tricky. What's really tricky is coming out of the roundabout and then figuring out where you need to turn to get up to go to the access road. I got a little confused here because the GPS was telling me to turn there, but actually right here is where you want to make your actual turn to get onto the access road for Hoover Dam. So don't always trust the GPS to lead you in the right direction, but it was really... you had a 50-50 shot, so I came out the winner today. So all right, here we go, and we're going up the access road here, and it's about 3 miles to the security checkpoint. It was really cool seeing all the great scenery as you were approaching Hoover Dam. I mean, as much as the video and pictures make it look and everything, until you're actually here and you can see it in 3D in person and everything, you really can't get a grasp of just how majestic and beautiful this whole area of the country is. So I highly recommend coming out here one of these days and just taking it in all for yourself and just getting the first-hand experience, because as much as we try to do stuff on video and photos and everything, it really doesn't do it justice. You need to come out here and check all this stuff out. Okay, now we're getting ready to approach the security checkpoint, and my video is going to glitch out here for a few seconds. I don't know what was going on with the freeze framing and everything. Just maybe something going on with the camera or something like that. But anyway, the The security checkpoint is really simple. Basically, they're just checking for firearms and weapons and stuff like that. So basically, all they ask is that you have all your windows down and everything, so they can check the vehicle and make sure everything was all clear and everything, and everything was good to go. So after that, we're on our way up and taking a look at the dam and driving over it.
In 1,000 feet, turn left. Turn left, then you'll arrive at your destination.
I apologize for the shaky camera work because there's no shock absorber on Miss Mopar's camera mount on the dash. So basically every little bump that we hit and everything, the camera's going to pick that up. So hopefully you took your Dramamine, because there's going to be a few more bumps and shakes coming up and everything, but it's all part of the experience, isn't it? So anyway, we're getting ready to drive over the dam itself right now. There's plenty of pedestrian traffic in this area, so just make sure you're cautious about pedestrian right-of-ways and so forth, and just take it easy and just basically take your time and enjoy the scenery and the experience. So there's also a couple of the security guys around and everything, just to make sure you're not speeding and stuff like that. So just beware. Here's a quick travel tip. See that $10 parking sign right there? You don't have to pay $10 to park at Hoover Dam. That's just Nevada's way of getting a little bit more revenue. But if you want to travel up a little bit further up onto the Arizona side, there are plenty of free parking spots up there if you want to go to some of the scenic overlooks or the pullouts and stuff like that. So yeah, don't be suckered in on that $10 parking scam or anything like that. Plenty of free parking further up on the drive. And we're just now coming into the Arizona side of Hoover Dam. Come on, California. Okay, so now we're working our way back down and going across the dam one more time as we get ready to leave. This is a really great day to get out and have a little bit of adventure and so forth. We're cross it again. Just check off one of those bucket list items that we always hear about and stuff like that. So anyway, I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the drive here as we cross the dam one more time. And thanks for coming along with us. Just again, a reminder to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure that you get notified anytime that I upload another adventure video. And just like, share, and subscribe and comment, because I want to know. Have you ever been to Hoover Dam? What was your experience like and everything? Or are you planning to come soon and everything? And any questions or anything like that? So anyway, have a great rest of your day, and I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. Oh.